How to remove background images
Yeah.
on
Hi
Figma.
everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove images, how to remove background from images on Figma. So the first thing you should do is to navigate to the resource page on Figma, navigate to the plugin, then type in remove BG. Yes, in the search bar type in remove BG. So the remove BG plugin is going to, I don't want to say pop-up, but you're going to see the remove BG plugin. Yeah, that is it. So you're going to click on that. And while we click on that, it is going to show, it's going to bring out two options. The first is to run, while the second is to set the API key. Now, yeah, you can see that. You can see the run and you can see set API key. So we'll go to set API key, and the set API key is going to show us some instructions that we should follow, and these instructions indicate that we navigate to the remove BG website, we register, then get a KPIM, an API key. Then we'll come back to Figma and paste the API key on the option there. Then we click on save. Yes, after that, you are going to be able to effectively use the remove BG plugin. So yeah, let's wait for it. Yeah, don't be surprised. It's not supposed to take much of our time. The reason why it's slow is because I reduced the timer of this video. Yeah, so that everyone is able to understand. Really, I don't want it to be too fast. That's why it's kind of, it does not take, within 5 minutes the remove BG plugin should run. You should get your API key. Now the reason why you can see an API key is because I've gone through this process. Yeah, when first time I tried using the remove BG, I've gone through the process of getting registering on their website, and I've gotten my API key. So that's why you can see it's being displayed here. Ideally, if I'm a first time user, what I'll do is to click on that link. It takes me to their website. You registered on their website as a user, then there's an option that shows get API key. So you click on that, get the API key, then you come back to Figma and then you paste the API key here, then you click on save. Yeah, so let me close this tab. Yeah, so now the next thing I'll do is to go back to the remove BG plugin and click on run. Like I said, the reason why it's slow, it's not this slow. The reason why it's slow is because I reduced the timer of this video. Yep. So let's click on run. It's still going to show the set API key. Yeah, don't mind that. Ignore that. Just click on run. Yes, and wait for a few minutes for this image to disappear. The remove BG is going to, the remove BG is going to be displayed on your background, so you can see it beneath the image. It is, yeah, rolling. But in just a few minutes, yeah, and this background will be gone. Tada! Yeah, so that is just a very, very simple step. Go to Figma, go to the resource page, navigate to plugin, type in your remove BG, click on remove BG, run, set API, click on run. Yep, that's all. That's how to remove background from images on Figma. Thank you.